Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1968 Chevy Camaro. Very nice of the Camaros. Of course, you know 67 through 69 was the first generation Camaro before they had made the splint bumper. Anyway, going back to our Camaro here, we have a nice British green with a green/gold interior, which is very unique because when we looked at the trim tag on this car, as you may see, it has ZZ, which does prove that it is British green, but also that the code for the interior 722 was actually factory ash gold. So it's a very unique color combination. I think it's pretty cool. Still got the old-fashioned Camaro wheel. You have vintage air to keep you nice and cool. 2-knob modernized radio with Sirius XM. The carpet's pretty clean. The seats are pretty clean. Has the newer aftermarket torque style wheels. Very nice, very smooth cruiser. 327 under the hood with the ME code, which you will see on the pictures when we upload them. And anyway, going up the hood, it still has the stock manifolds connected to it, but it has a pretty good sound coming out the back. I know you can't really hear it, but it is a pretty sweet little ride we got at Skyway Classics. If you'd like to see more, please visit our YouTube channel, see our website, skywayclassics.com. Anyway, now we're going to get her turned around and up on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.